workshop for me has really been a life changer. So this is my second time doing it. The first time I came back and my husband told me, what happened out there in Switzerland because you came back a different person. And I think it is really all the practical tips to be the best version of yourself. So I really felt that I came away both the first time in terms of focusing on how can I really be present both at home and at work, and how can I really take care of myself to perform better. And performing better involving, mind, body, spirit, and just really getting practical tips was really helpful for me. So this second time, really taking it up a notch and learning even more from the interactions.
I think for me the key valuable thing was that it was so practical. There were so many practical, useful, easily digestible pieces of information and tips that you can actually just apply to life. And being coming from a science background, the fact that so much of it is grounded in scientific evidence was fantastic. And just learning all that was really, really helpful.
Resilience basically helps you be a better person. It takes care of your body, it makes you look at your heart, it makes you look at your mind and also at your spirit. And by doing so and by becoming a better person, you become a better.
Resilience is really about understanding that your whole being is comprised of four main parts, which is your body, your emotions, your spiritual well-being, as well as your mind. So basically, you need to optimize each and every one of them in order to actually be your best. Be your best at home and be your best at the office. So for me, the time spent here has really made me focus inwards and learn more about myself and how I can be more impactful, both in terms of my work and my family situation.